How are we doing, folks? James Power here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 312 BMW 3 Series 320D Luxury Saloon. Let's take a quick look at her. Sorry. She comes in this jet black metallic paint finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille up front. The 19-inch BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres. These alloys are incredibly unique to the luxury model, with the silver trim surrounding the privacy glass in the rear, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 320D badging, the rear parking sensors, and of course the automatic trunk. This is an absolutely stunning car. You do not see many of these on the road. Let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 320D. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the multifunctional BMW luxury steering wheel, the manual transmission, the BMW iDrive system that allows you to control the BMW teleservice, which has features such as radio, sat-nav navigation, CD, multimedia, BMW services, and many other extras. The interior comes in a jet black Dakota leather with a grey stitching, surrounded by a dark oak wood trim. Fully electric windows, electric folding mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, keyless push button start ignition, heated seats, the BMW SOS service system, enhanced Bluetooth, air conditioning. You have the armrest for this in the center console. You have the cruise control with brake function. You can control the radio from the steering wheel, and many other extras. Now, like I said, this is an absolutely stunning car that is incredibly unique. Now, that was just a quick look around this 132 BMW 3 Series 320D Luxury. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power.